Rwase kaunti ya Kisii ni gobaganiria serikali ya kaunti akobaka na chibesa chiabo ekyo chiteneniri batanya wakanwa kurengana nabo ni gobabegete kinase kigambiro akorende nigo batararira matunda yekinekyo ase boigo batebire gosebaganirie batebire buna eserikali onterigo chikobakana nigo bagocha kuimukia egetambukiro ko ase amabokabo
tuachire koti korigia koti nyare gotokonya etenenie procurement process yo chikoigora document tware korwa kiyo chikokore gasi ya monto yomo ago chikokore gasi as Kisii County as a constituency you want to take control the kiana na chegabana ya Kisii kose system ya Kisii etakitokobeka gotogotebaiga abantu bonse pi 1,000 contractors as in the liberalized economy when the coin will leave a participate or your conyola as anyore or your teleconyola tanyora.
Tambana go continue as a chiabo to kabike kina e kotieto konye e grabakan. Aso go kumgoito ase rero e go tubuga tengana de county ya chire e go chakurwa maaki ase koti ngabantu mba kina ngetegerwa. Ditkoli goro bato ete ode go trebanga kai kina teruchi tariki isa naibere umutinyo wocha era nto beke odende ya sachi kuto wachensi bamenye gotoa trichitanda chikali kugurwa tare 19 tuakanire ekora bagotoya oda ebindi bitara iguru byose.
We as the Lake region, we are behind the Kisii Contractors Association and we are going to post this as an agency. Kwa hivyo watu wa Kisii Contractors Association, Secretary General, the Chairman, the Lake region, bro, we are behind you and we are advising all the 14 governors in the Lake region, please advise the Kisii County governor.
Last week, but when we were supposed to get the orders yesterday, the Attorney General from the Kisii County government came and they went to bed with the judge who was supposed to give the orders. He pushed for 2 hours. We were waiting as petitioners. For 2 hours, they were with the Attorney General. Later on, he gave the orders that the file will be listened to on 7th November. We have done the county attorney. We have done the application today because this is a matter of urgency. We have done the application today. And again, the judge has given us that this file is going to be listened on 19th. We are saying in this country, where is justice? Where is justice to the people who are suffering outside there? We are saying this. We will fight to the last bit of our lives. And we are saying